Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix unable to execute file, CreateProcess failed, code 2. The system cannot find the file specified on Windows. This error can appear when opening different apps, games, or emulators, and one possible reason is that Windows Firewall or security settings are blocking the program. First, open the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then change View By to small icons or large icons. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Next, click Change Settings. Now click Allow another app, then click Browse. Here, go to the folder where your app or game is installed. Select the main.exe application file, then click Open. After that, click Add. Now scroll through the list and make sure your app has been added successfully. Also make sure the proper network boxes are checked. Once done, click OK, then try opening the app again. If it still doesn't work, double check that the app's main file actually exists in the folder. If it was deleted or moved, reinstall the program. That's it. One of these steps should fix the CreateProcess failed code 2 error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.